Welcome to the scenic city of Haridwar, India, where the tranquility of nature meets the brilliance of industry. This is the world of Synokem Pharmaceuticals, on course to inspiring a meaningful change in the pharmaceutical industry. With our quality, innovation, and excellence. This journey began in 1982 with Mr. J.M. Arora, who laid the foundations of Synokem Pharmaceuticals. We went on to establish our present-day unit, one in Haridwar in 2005, and then to establish our second state-of-the-art manufacturing unit in 2015. As the company expanded its horizons and entered into a partnership with TA Associates, it ventured and established its largest and third manufacturing facility in Haridwar recently in 2022. In September 2023, we proudly welcomed Nitin Life Sciences into our family. In the present day, Synokem has ultra-modern state-of-the-art manufacturing facilities in northern India, certified by WHO, GMP, and ISO, where the production of a wide range of products for various therapeutic segments takes place under CGMP regulatory compliance. Our corporate headquarters are located in New Delhi, India, comprising a team of passionate and dedicated professionals. People at Synokem are revolutionizing the pharmaceutical industry with their unwavering commitment to quality and manufacturing excellence. And today, this has led us to stand at a milestone of having achieved a turnover of rupees 1,000 crores. Synokem's formulations span various dosage forms, including tablets, capsules, liquids, creams, and gels, liquid injectables in vials and ampules, dry powder injectables, and lyophilized vials, among others, covering a wide range of therapeutic segments. Recently, we proudly welcomed Nitin Life Sciences into our family, a WHO GMP-certified small-volume injectable manufacturing company. Nitin operates 3 modern facilities across northern India, specializing in a diverse range of products such as liquid ampules, liquid vials, lyophilized vials, dry powder injectables, including beta-lactams, cephalosporins, non-beta-lactams, and eye and ear drops. Nitin ensures the highest standards of quality. All manufacturing lines are unidirectionally integrated with the vial ampules washing, filling, stoppering, and sealing, followed by automatic or manual visual inspection and packing. The company's expertise in aseptic parenteral processing, reinforced by the technologically advanced infrastructure under full-time in-process monitoring, enables us to maintain stringent quality standards and reliability, derive cost efficiencies, and timely deliveries to complete customer satisfaction. Adhering to the latest CGMP standards, Nitin's manufacturing facilities have earned accreditation from various prestigious national and international drug regulatory authorities. As a Synokem Pharmaceuticals brand, Nitin brings over 30 years of invaluable experience in handling substantial contract manufacturing projects for injectables. Nitin's success is driven by a dedicated subject matter expert. Over the years, the company has been successful in attracting and retaining some of the industry's best talents. Our systems are designed to uphold consistent quality in production while optimizing cost efficiencies, ensuring a seamless and reliable pharmaceutical manufacturing process. Each product manufacturing procedure is crafted with precision, adhering to the highest quality standards and backed by our unwavering commitment to excellence. Our commitment to innovation is exemplified by our unique sustained-release tablets of natural micronized progesterone, making us the only company in the world to manufacture them. Synokem's laboratories are equipped with the latest sophisticated instruments, featuring a research and development block, and in-house chemical, instrumental, and microbiological laboratories. Adhering to stringent quality standards, these dedicated modular laboratories house a large group of scientists conducting research, innovation, and ensuring product quality. Our walk-in, accelerated, and long-term stability chambers aid us in catering to different conditions of stability studies. Rigorous standards have been implemented by our on-site quality assurance team, allowing for the production of consistently high-grade pharmaceutical products. Our facilities are powered with sizable on-site employee strength. Our esteemed clients trust us for our quality and innovation. We are proud to serve a diverse range of customers. At Synokem, we're passionately dedicated to forging the path for groundbreaking pharmaceutical formulations. A substantial investment has been made to fuel our research and development block, sprawling across 32,000 square feet. Manned by a team of around 100 adept scientists, this facility propels us to the forefront of scientific progress, ensuring we lead the charge in innovative drug development for the future. Synokem's research initiatives aim to discover new combinations and develop innovative drug delivery systems. This dedication has resulted in a robust pipeline of formulations, ensuring a steady stream of quality products.
As we move forward, our collective mission remains to make a positive impact on healthcare and improve the well-being of people worldwide. We express our gratitude to our customers and the talented professionals at Synokem Pharmaceuticals. Their expertise, unwavering dedication, and collaborative efforts have positioned us as leaders in the pharmaceutical industry. Our relentless focus on research and development has been instrumental in our quest to deliver technologically superior products.
With the invaluable expertise and resources provided by TA Associates, we are poised to open new avenues for breakthrough innovations that address unmet medical needs.
We express our gratitude to the talented professionals at Synokem Pharma who relentlessly drive our research and development initiatives and manufacturing excellence. Their expertise, unwavering dedication, and collaborative spirit have positioned us as leaders in the pharmaceutical industry.
As we move forward, our collective mission remains the same: to make a positive impact on healthcare and improve the well-being of people worldwide. With our partnership and unyielding support of our stakeholders, we are poised for even greater achievements and a future filled with boundless possibilities.
Synokem's technologically advanced manufacturing facilities, coupled with stringent quality management systems and research initiatives, have positioned the company as a trusted provider in international markets. We are continually expanding our presence all over the world. Today, our presence is in over 27 countries. Synokem's array of certifications and accreditations serves as a testimony to our unwavering commitment to quality. Our partnerships with strategic allies have further strengthened our global presence, making us a renowned player in the pharmaceutical industry. Synokem operates through well-defined divisions: contract manufacturing, international business, institutional business, and ethical marketing. We are equipped with high-tech HVAC systems, ensuring low humidity. Our ultrafiltration system with double RO systems function while ensuring minimal ecological impact. Our values and expectations are at the heart of everything we do and define our culture so that together we can deliver extraordinary impact for patients and make Synokem a brilliant place to work. We strive to ensure a safe working environment and to protect the health of our employees. Our emphasis on sustainability allows us to expand our business while minimizing our ecological footprint. We continue to learn along the way. We explore ideas, face setbacks, and relentlessly pursue new approaches to make true advances against diseases. Our people remain dedicated to transforming science into breakthrough medicines. The quest goes on to improve the life of each patient in the best way possible. In partnership with others, together we spark meaningful changes for the future of human health. This is who we are. This is Synokem Pharmaceuticals Limited, committed towards better healthcare. Visit our website at synokempharma.com.